Disclaimer, this video will most likely have of talking in the background. I know you guys are used to it by now since you watch my channel. Yeah, thank you for getting me to 59 subscribers. I'm classifying myself as an actual YouTuber now, even though I already classified myself as a YouTuber, but I guess just skip this bit because you guys already heard this a bunch of times. Please like and subscribe if you're new, and thank you for watching this video. I said I would make a video on YouTube. I said that in the description of my last one. I said I would address you two. Be prepared to be addressed. Okay, so as I said in my last video, in the description of my last video, I said that I would address them in the next video I make, which is this one. And so I'm going to be saying the names, roughly how old they would be, the gender, and parents. So yeah, this is my bird video. I've already made cats, I've already made dogs. Why not birds? Okay, so first thing I'll address is this is their play place thing. You can't really see it because it's night right now, but yeah. Well, dark night, same thing. Anyway, I will put them on here because they love it, and then I'll start addressing them from there. Okay, so first thing I'll address is that they are basically twins, as most birds actually are, because, you know, batches of eggs make them twins. And I will address that they're both brothers, so that also clears up what their gender is. Their parents are, one of them is my brother's, which is Wolf, and then the other one is mine, which is Pikachu. They both do not look like either of their parents. Wolf is white and blackish grey. Pikachu is the same as them, kind of, but she has a musty yellow kind of blended all over her. I was talking to my dad about them yesterday and how they don't look like their mum, and he said because as their mum's parents would have been what they look like, so they really look like their grandparents, which I have not seen their grandparents before, so yeah. Second thing I'll address is they would both sort of be in the toddler stage. They are both teething. They've been cleaning a lot, as most birds do. And they're both really attached to me. I do have a lot of other birds, as I said in the description of the last video. But these are my two inside birds. They did have a sister. She unfortunately died. She did not learn to fly. It wasn't the parents' fault. Well, we did have a bird before. We had three actually, that I think they were all from the same eggs. We had one called Tex, and we didn't know the gender of that one. And then two that look like these two, that we called the Skeksis. Forgot what movie it's from, but Mum did name them from a movie. So anyway, on to these two cuties' names. They're both each got P names, and as you can see, since I said they're twins, they're basically identical, except for two distinguishing details. And I will show you that soon. Okay, so first off, this is Pole. They can both fly. Pole loves to climb onto me whenever I'm near him. He doesn't do it all the time though, as you can see. He loves being with his brother and really around anyone. And the thing that separates him apart from his brother is his feathers are kind of... Oh my God. Are you okay? Now I kind of feel bad for not saving him straight away, but he does it a lot. That is actually a good thing that I was gonna say after the details, but he can fly backwards. They both have their wings clipped because they're inside birds, so that's probably why he flies backwards. He's a hummingbird, apparently, because only hummingbirds can fly backwards, from what I know. But anyway, what makes him different is that he has slightly lighter grey feathers, and he doesn't have the spot that Peter has. So yeah, this is Paul. He's my little loving boy. Next is Peter. He is the mischievous one. He has a slightly darker grey feathers, and he has the white spot. He climbs on me sometimes, and he doesn't fly backwards from what I've seen so far. He does like to have fun and play around and kind of be a nuisance sometimes, but still I love him because I love animals and birds especially. And yeah, they both get along as siblings do. I only taught him to use the ladder this afternoon, so he's been a pro at it. Peter knows how to use it. Well, Paul knows how to do it too, but it's hard to get names right. They do have this thing that they don't really do anymore, but they have a stick that I used like a week ago, where I would say, board the stick, put it here, and they would climb on. They don't do it as well because it's been a while. But anyway, those are my birds, Peter and Paul. Hope you enjoyed the video, and hope you're looking forward to seeing more of them. Bye!